Why you have no views on TikTok solution. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna discuss on some of the reasons why you have no views on TikTok, and I'll also show you some solutions that you can try. Without further ado, let's get started. Now I'm just gonna head on and open TikTok over here. And also make sure that your TikTok is up to date. So just visit your App Store or your Play Store and update if your TikTok is outdated. After that, just head on and open TikTok, and the first thing that we're going to make sure is if your account is a public account. So just click on this profile icon over here at the bottom right hand corner. And as you can see, my account is currently set to a private account. So this will only show my account or my content to my followers that I have approved. So to change this, just click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy under the Account section and turn off this toggle button. So just tap on that, and if that is green, that means that your account is currently private. Just tap on that so that you will be switched to a public account. So switching to a public account, anyone will be able to follow you, view your public posts, and answer your questions from public posts. So basically, you will have more chances of getting more views because everyone can see your video content. So just click on switch over here if you want to do that. And the next way is I'm going to try and post a video over here. And I'm going to upload a video or a picture. And once we click on next over here, you should focus on this option over here that says who can watch this video. So just tap on that and make sure that it is set to everyone. So setting it to everyone will make everyone see your video, and when that is set to only me, of course you will be the only one to see your video. And if you set it to friends, only your friends will be able to see the video. So just set it to everyone so that you will have more chances of getting more views because everyone can see your video content. So just click on post, so that will be posted on your TikTok account. And also, once you post a TikTok video, you just tap on that. And to get more chances of having more views, you can also opt to share your video. So just click on this 3-dotted button over here below the bookmark or save button and click on copy link, or also you can choose to share it to other social media platforms, so your friends or your followers from other social media accounts can click on that and view your TikTok video. So those are some of the solutions to get more views on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.